Hey guys, Ethan here, or the Maroon Mind if you wanna go by the YouTube name. Sorry I'm not cleaned up. I just got home from school. I had PE last. Joys of ninth grade. Anyway, I have an unboxing. It's from Ellusionist. It'll be about, I think, 5 decks of cards. I should be having another one come soon. This was for my birthday, which was just a couple weeks ago, so here we go. This is it. Shipped priority mail, so you can see this. Don't really want to show you, but Ellusionist.com in California. So I guess we can open this up. Aha. Almost got it. Alright. After I open the package, I have Once More Magic. I don't know. On the back it says Pure Smoke. I actually want that. It's too expensive though. Yeah. This is the ordering sheety thing. I don't know. 7 things to know about your order. Okay. Right now, anyway. Alright. First, we have a bicycle Series 1800. They're pretty much just normal red right-back cards only. The deck is purposely made to look old. I'll probably be doing a review on that. Second, we have a Emerald Artifice. I've always wanted an Artifice deck. I'll probably be doing a review on that too. And before anything else, sorry about the bad quality. It's a webcam, so. Third, we got the Infinity deck. It's a pretty cool deck. Again, probably a review. I also got a White Arcane. I really love the Arcane. I believe in the other package I'm getting a black one, so. And the Arcane, Infinity, and Artifice were, if you go on Ellusionist, you can do a 3-deck sample pack. And if you do, you get a Bicycle Master Edition. Master Edition. Rider back. Back looks the same as any normal rider back. Although I do find it cool that it comes with the red seal instead of a normal black seal, like, say, this. But the Series 1800 playing cards, they, my dad said I can get another deck of cards, so got this one. Anyway, that's it. So 5 decks, some more later. Series 1800, Bicycle Masters, Master Edition, Emerald Artifice, Infinity, Void Arcane. And there'll be reviews to come. So 5 reviews to look forward to. If any of them you like or just want a review on, stay tuned. Thank you.